Good morning, Bit Gamey. I feel like I just saw you like 8 hours ago. Did you have a good night's sleep? uh, I can't do that. I'm tired AF. Tired AF. Can't do that every day. We're gonna have to figure something out. But we are here now, and I'm ready. I'm not even gonna post on socials. Like, hey, usually I post on Instagram every day. Hey, come check me out. Come say hi. I don't even feel like doing that today. I'm that tired. I'm just gonna start. It's just gonna be you and me, all stream. If anyone else joins, ban them. I'm gonna give you that, but you don't have to use it. I'm gonna do some well-deserved VIPing. All right, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? So yesterday we had some bugs I was fixing. This is a big one that I'm gonna ignore because it scares me. There's some icons that need better, or some items that need better icons. There's a weird sound effects bug. Let's figure that one out. That one bugs the hell out of me. The bug bugs me. Alright, so in order to test that bug, I need to build an in fast. Let's do that. I need my handy dandy starter kit. Excuse me. Why shield mode? Shield mode. Did I do a thing? You mean the auto mod settings? Because I got friends that say really ridiculous things sometimes. They need the auto mods.
We don't have anything specific planned for today's show.
This week's show is going to be really interesting with...
Don't tell what's going to be on the show.
I love that clip. I need more Tim and Eric in my life. Tuna, good morning. How are you? So I'm like lagging today. My physical body is lagging today. I registered that you came and you showed up, and I'm just like, oh yeah, good morning. Can't do a late night stream and then a morning stream. Can't do it. Too old. Too freaking old. But how are you? Giorgio! Yeah. You've done that before? You familiar with this feeling of lag? How's my day going so far? Well, I woke up 20 minutes ago, walked the dog, and here we are. Wait, shit. I need, excuse me. Need some debug settings. Unlimited guest rooms, that's what I want. Oh, what? No, I still can't make it. Alright, you know what? It's fine. No, I didn't want to stop playing. No! I just want to hit escape. I do all that again? Stupid. The day's not going so. I'm too tired. Oh, I know what I need. Morning juice. The best thing to cure fog is morning juice. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just like clicking away. Oh, that was so stupid. All right, I gotta focus. Focus, engine. Focus, engine. Focus. Get rid of this debris. I'm building an inn so that I can test two things. I want to test the sound effects that are broken. Every time I enter a new scene, the sound effects pop off. And I thought I fixed it. I swear I fixed it, and then it happened again. And the other thing I want to do is... What's the other thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah, Stella, her quest. It's all funked up. Giorgio, also, good morning. Jeez, did I forget to say good morning again? God. What's wrong with me? How are you doing? Okay, I have booms. Lumber Thursday, I go get my 4 shots of espresso to keep me going, but today it was cold. It was too cold, so I need to make myself some more morning juice. You're a 2 cup of coffee in the... You're 2 cups in and you feeling good? This is not going to suffice. Oh my god, I'm going to need way more than this. I'll play playing Skull and Bones and Helldivers too. Nice. What is that? What is Helldivers? I've heard of Skull and Bones. I watched wait, someone was playing it yesterday. Oh yeah, that guy Blind Cat Studios. He just started streaming like a couple days ago, or a couple of weeks ago, and I saw he had like 90 viewers watching him play Skull and Bones. I'm like, that's dope. You missed a stream? Did you miss a stream? I mean, I did Monday. No, I don't think so. Okay, so if I hit start stream and then my audio settings are all messed up, and then I need to stop stream, close OBS, reopen, start stream again, does everyone lose their streak? Because that happened last week. Or 2 weeks ago. That happened 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that's weird. Because, yeah, I didn't do that. I did that a couple weeks ago, but it wasn't, 3 streams ago. I feel like that shouldn't count, right? Okay, what do I need here? I need guest rooms. Why can't I make any guest rooms? Did the end of day just happen? I gotta redo it again. Yeah, his other half is a Twitch partner. She added him to a Steam group and mostly raids him with her crowd. He feels like he cheated to get... That's dope. I thought he was particularly well set up for his first stream when Irish John raided him. Yeah, good for him though. That's awesome. That is awesome. I thought that for a second. I'm like, is Skull and Bones like that popular? Oh, I know you. You're the biggest cheerleader alive. You're so good to people. Stop being so good to people. People are evil. Unlimited rooms. Show all recipes? No. Perform all skills, that's what I need. BitGamey, I don't know. If you weren't around when I started streaming, I don't know if I would have kept going. You were just too kind. You made it so enjoyable. Thank you. Seriously. That's why you're the VIP here. Tuna, you've seriously been here almost every stream as well. VIP. Oh, and it's Nerk Mind. Morning. Bonjour. Also, I hate how the colors now. I made these like color indicators so transparent that you can't even see them. Each one of these rooms is a different color, but since it's random, they're all kind of randomly the same muddy purple. Cavat. Bonsoir. Je m'appelle Andu. That's all I know. Le petit fromage. I'm sorry I'm speaking French. You missed it. I'm dead tired. My brain doesn't work. I might say random things that are offensive. Who knows? We did that night stream last night, and my old body was just like, what are you doing, Andrew? Why are you doing that? Also, why can't I make... Where's my sign? Welcome desk. Is it here? Am I blind? Where's my sign and welcome desk? Starter content. Oh, mount 1. Oof. C# eat bacon. You streamed last night? Yeah, Giorgio. We did a night stream. It was Valentine's Day. My wife is very far away. She's in Japan already. And it was nice to hang out with you guys. Debug mode. No, what am I doing? I need a... Yeah, where's debug mode? I used to have buttons. Alright, give starter. Okay. There we go. Welcome desk. It's taking me forever. Open the damn in. Alright, we're in. We're open. She left already? How much until you can join her? I fly March 12th. So I got about 3.5 weeks until I can join her. Bacon. Yeah, dude, I need bacon so bad. I'm so hungry. I've been living the bachelor life in terms of my eating habits. Oh my god, they're horrible. Bachelor eating habits. Horrible. I need the wife around to encourage me to eat vegetables and less bacon. I've been eating so much bacon every day. I realized, like, I've had bacon every day. I need to stop that. Do it while you can. No, I'm too old. My body needs vegetables. Every time, so there's a thing. Every time I go back to New York to visit family, I always get so hyped up that I'm like, I need bagels. I need pizza. I need New York food that I always loved. And I come home sick every time. Every single time I come home from New York, I come home sick. And it's a mixture of flying, not eating vegetables, only eating carbs, bread and cheese, and then hanging out with, like, I don't know, maybe it's my nephews. Kids are always sick. But yeah, I get sick every single time. All right, why isn't anyone showing up? What did I want to test? I need to test sound effects, so we're gonna turn on audio, and I'm gonna crank it. I'm very sorry, but I gotta crank it. Also, what do you guys think? So I have a master volume slider, excuse me, a sound effects slider, and a music slider. But there's like ambient music. Do you think I should have a third slider for ambient, like not ambient music, like the birds chirping and at night the cicadas or the crickets cricketing, whatever that is called. I guess it's called chirping too. Do you think I need a third slider for that? Or is that just overkill? So right now, like the crickets and the birds chirping, it's just sound effects. I love this song. All right, I'm gonna mute that music. We're just gonna listen to it. So this music was made by a buddy of mine. It's funny. Triangles, what up? They live on the West Coast, so they can never show up to this stream. It's too early for them. But they made all the music for me, and it's awesome. They're really good. Okay, there we go. He's here. So that sound effect. When I enter a new zone, it plays. It only did it once. Okay, wait, why did it don't... Alright, so it did it, right? Someone's there. Is another person there? I gotta watch the desk. Okay, so someone else did show up. Maybe it's not broken. Okay, yeah, it didn't happen. It must be some weird coincidence. Ambience, I would say that the player doesn't need to control every single element. Okay. You'd add more sliders, Tuna? Are you just messing with me? Okay. So I don't think it's a bug. I think they just legitimately are showing up all the time. And I don't notice. All right. You always turn off music? Do you put on your own music? I love music in games. That's one of my favorite things about all these cozy games. They have incredible music. I wish I can listen to the Ooblet soundtrack while doing these streams. Ooblets has such good music. If anyone from the Ooblets team is somehow out there, you gotta know. I'm a huge fan of the game, and I'm a huge fan of the soundtrack. And I want permission to play the music as background music. Oh, the scene's additive? Yeah. You can see over here. Every scene is loaded asynchronously. And then in the core scene is the player, the lighting, and a bunch of like managers, all my singletons. You can see like a new scene loads, unloads. FB! I'm a huge fan of you and your game and your cozy way about it all. FB, I'm a fan of you. Thank you. Okay, so that bug, it's weird. Because not only, there's something else, I don't know. There's another bug that's happening. I'm just gonna ignore that one for now. I'm gonna say, because I could not confirm that was happening, I'm gonna say it's just a coincidence. It's just a big old coincidence. Let's just check that off. I need a sound effect for the end of day guest wrap-up page. Okay, that I want. That I really want. Excuse me. So at the end of the day, like, all these numbers are churning and growing, and like, I need like pops and bloops and, you know, like increasing. I need that stuff. It's nothing against the game music. It's just I have auditory processing issues. Is that like a real thing, or is that just something you notice about yourself? Cough, suck up, cough? No. I know FB's not sucking it up. So there's a few people in chat that are like, you know, good pals, good friends in real life, and I've known FB for a very long time. We're fans of each other. We've had some really fun late night bar nights where we'd be hanging out with a group of friends, and then we all decide, you know what, let's all just go home. So we'd like walk to the subway together. Everyone would split apart, and then we'd just at some point go, actually, you know what, let's keep going. Those are the best. Those are like some of my favorite nights. And then we'd tell everyone the next morning, oh yeah, we kept going, and they'd be very upset. High five. Just playing. Hey, we know you're just playing. We're all just playing here. Playing. Luckily, a certain someone isn't here to hear that. They might be, they just can't log in. All right. I'm gonna say that bug is. I don't care. I don't care about that one. I want the sound effects for the end of day wrap-up page. Do I have any? Let's see what I got. Sorry, this is gonna be annoying. I'm gonna like listen to auditory processing disorder. What is so? Signs and symptoms. Interesting. So what? So like, I don't want to dig too deep, but like, when there is music playing, non-diagnosed, but I have often, you often need words or sentences repeated, have poor ability to memorize information, learn by listening, interpret words too literally, need assistance hearing. Wow, interesting. Does the music just like make everything fuzzy? Like it's much clearer to have the music off? That's crazy. Should I lower the music for you? Let me lower the music for you. I'm all good? Alright, let me crank it. No. Yeah, that sounds pretty nuts. Sorry you have to deal with that. It's actually like putting things into perspective about some people I knew in high school. I think they had the same thing. Once the music is familiar, I can tune it out. Okay, yeah, I play this all the time. Are you guys sick of this music yet? I keep getting burned. So the last 2 streams, I'm like, let me switch it up. Let me play some other music. So 2 times ago, I played like Ghibli background music or lo-fi interpretations. Please don't change. Okay. So I played other music and I got muted. I got muted in like 6 different songs. I'm like, oh, and then I uploaded it to YouTube and they were like blocked. So I'm like, okay, all right, I'm not gonna play that anymore. So I Googled like Twitch safe, copyright free, and I found this mix. It was like Twitch safe, copyright free. I got muted like another 4 or 5 times. So I don't want to get muted. I like to post these on YouTube. And if I'm getting muted for YouTube clips, then I'm obviously going to get blocked on YouTube. So we're going to stick with what we know. We're going to stick with this lo-fi. We're going to stick with Killika's remixes. We're safe. I want safe music. Okay. That being said, we need sound effects. All right, let's go to our sound effects. Wow, that kind of sounds like me in some ways. You might have just learned something about yourself. You should play the national anthem before you start each stream. I should play everyone's national anthem at the same time and hear what it sounds like. Maybe anytime someone shows up from another country, there should be a redeem. Play my national anthem. Okay, so I have Kenny's UI audio sound effects, and I have interface and item sounds. Kenny's is good, but limited. I know there's not going to be anything I need in here. It's a bunch, yeah. Interface and item sounds is a great pack. I believe I got it in a bundle. Highly recommended to anyone. Let's see what we got. What would you call audio sound effects that like grow in pitch? Like when a progress bar is growing, I want the sound effect with it, you know? What is that like? What is that called? So I'm sure you all follow him already, but follow Nerkmind. Follow. MJT, a riser. First time chatting with the clutch vocab. That is what it's called, isn't it? How's it going? Alright, yeah, we need riser sounds. And how would I do that in Unity? Would I just keep replaying it over and over and over, increasing in pitch? Have you learned the Japanese national anthem? Is it required for entry? No. I was doing a Duolingo last night after the stream just to like calm down. And I need to do it more often. Transcending audio. Let's see, how would I do this? Rising audio in Unity. Random audio? No. Where did you get this audio pack? I think it's on the asset store. It's just called Interface and Item Sounds. If I search interface and item sounds, it doesn't show up. Oh, is this it? Casual UI? UI and item sound effects? No? Actually, I don't know what it's called. It's called interface and item sounds on, like, in my project, but I don't know if that's possible. Unity sound is a mystery. Yeah, I'm trying to Google it too. What if you get a sound effect? Giorgio, add me to the credits. Nice. Nice. You've been saving. What do you want to be called? You let me know what you want to be called other than your Twitch name. It was depreciated. That's why you can't find it on the store. Oh, snap. Wonder why. Okay. Depreciated, sorry. Sorry. You're thinking of depreciated? Oh, deprecated. That says deprecated. Oh my god. Thanks, FB. Thanks for that. Making me look like a fool up here. Good luck working on your game. It looks pretty chill so far. MJ, thank you. I need all the luck. I need it all. No, FB, you should be correcting me. I didn't mean to call you out. No, you should be calling me out. Yo, if I'm gonna do this, I need to read, right? I need to learn how to read. David Goru with the sub. Oh my god, the Prime sub. Holy crap. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Prime subs are very special, precious things. And I appreciate it. Welcome in also. David Goru. I'm not sure if I remember your name. I don't think you've ever chatted before, but sub. Amazing. Alright, also we hit our follower goal last night. That was crazy. Over 200. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Got some new peeps at night. Night peeps. I don't want to leave the night peeps hanging though. I gotta keep doing night stuff. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm not sure. Yeah, audio risers. Riser effects. Audio riser effect. Unity? How to add sound effects the right way. Separate volume controls. No. This ain't happening. Generally, risers are synth sounds that gradually grow up in pitch. I think I have to make my own, right? Hydrate, thank you. Let's finish up this morning juice. FB, can you please come over and make me more morning juice? I'm about to DoorDash some more coffee because I'm gonna need more before the end of this. Interface sounds developer thread. What is this? What is this? Hello, longtime lurker from your Discord channel. Couldn't talk the other day due to the two-factor. Sorry, no worries. I'm a huge fan of the game. Loving how good it's looking. Jesus Christ, David. Thank you. Appreciate it. And glad to have you here. For some reason, Reddit can't be reached. Yo, I've been having crazy issues with Reddit lately. It's like, Oh, wait a minute, what? Wait, are these sound effects no good to use? BitGamey, what did you just find? So basically, Unity received multiple complaints about the sounds being stolen, so they took them down. No, BitGamey, they're everywhere. I use these sound effects everywhere. Funk. Okay, that's a problem. Thank God you found that. Now what? You know what? I don't feel like working on sound effects anymore. Let's do something else. Wait, why do I have this open twice? Might have been affected by AWS outage. Oh, is that what Reddit runs on? I've been trying to chat with people because I'm trying to help my wife resell nail polish. And the chat is just so messed up. BitGamey, thank you for finding that. You really threw a wrench into things. I don't like Reddit, so just guessing. I never used to like Reddit. I used to think it was a weird place, but I started using it for you know, for marketing. I did a couple posts, and then I just started using it because I wanted my account to look legit. And it's actually a pretty good resource. If you Google anything, there's usually the Reddit thread, if that is the solution. Like, that's the best place I've found lately. Wait, FB, I haven't drank enough yet. I had a couple of Ready Pinkies last night. What's a Ready Pinky? So I'm a little slow, and you know what, this morning, and sometimes when I'm like that, I don't crave coffee like I usually do. And I'm about to chug. Yeah, I need some really bad. I can't believe I'm out. What am I gonna do? I need my calf. I need some more calf. Okay, this is a big one. So there's a quest that's like, build a room and put a door on it, and when you exit the door controller mode, it completes the quest, even though you might not have built a door. So what I need to do is I need to listen for doors. Instead of like triggering that quest to be completed at the end of the door controller, I need to listen that a door was made and then complete the quest. There we go. If it looks like it came from the 90s, I don't use it. Also, I don't understand it. I didn't understand it either, but now I get it. There's like a flow to Reddit, and yeah, you gotta learn it. It is confusing. Don't be afraid of what confuses you. Alright, exit door controller. I don't want that to do the thing anymore. I want something else to do the thing. So let's go to the door controller. Player systems, secondary, build door controller, events. On end? What? I don't have any events here. Ah, crap. Wait, how am I triggering that? How am I triggering that? On enter. Show modal panel. Wait a minute. Is it a quest listener? Anyone can cook? No. Open Sesame? No. Oh, it's an in-system... No. Build zone? On has all build items. Here we go. On has all build items. I made a really janky event here. So what? So yeah, this wasn't working properly. This worked when I didn't have a door, and that's because I think it counted the preview door as a door. Then you'd have to forget something else. Yeah, that's kind of how life works. I feel like as I started learning Japanese, my English started getting worse. No, I don't want that. I need the build zone. So what has all build items? On has all build items. How is this calculated? If has walls, has foundation, and has doors. How is that calculated? If we cycle through the grid system for each door in system doors. For each door in system doors. Okay, so a wall grid system is just an array. So I search through the array of walls because doors and walls are in the same array. And for each door, why is there a door? Let's check it out. Let's check it out, shall we? So the wall grid system, I have doors here. Let's watch that array. When I go into door mode, does another door pop up? Because it shouldn't pop up until the door gets placed. Maybe it was a fluke Yeah, I've got 3 doors, right? 1, 2, 3. So when I go into door mode, another door pops up. Wow. Oh, okay. So the door pops up when I preview it. I exit, now there's a missing door. That's crazy. Enter door mode. Oh wait, no, it's just when I enter. Ooh, this is gonna cause bugs. This is gonna cause bugs. Thank God we found this. This is a much bigger bug than we thought. Okay. So, how do we add doors to this array? And we just need to ignore it if it's a preview door. I don't know. No, not system doors. Wallgrid system doors. Ooh, it's Thursday. Anyone got any fun weekend plans? Guess what I'm doing this weekend? If anyone can guess what I'm doing this weekend, I'll do a special bonus stream. You're going to Japan this weekend? That's crazy. Listen, guys, I'm sorry for talking about Japan so much. I'm just crazy excited. Doing nothing? Is that your guess, or is that what you're doing? You're not going to Japan? That's something. Add door. Door created. Yeah, so that's the problem. I throw door created when the door appears. I apologize. Moving is exciting, and especially internationally. I just feel like I talk about things ad nauseum here, and then I'm all up in everyone's chats, and it's like I talk about myself too much. I try to, not, but then people bring it up, and then it makes me feel I'm just very self-conscious nowadays. You know why? You know why, Big Gamey? It's my stream. It's not just on my stream. That's the problem. All up in the chats. Yeah, I'm like addicted to Twitch now. If I'm not streaming, I'm in someone else's stream. It's like on the background all the time. It's your life. We're here because of you. Addiction. This is an addiction. So here's what I need. I need to not call. I either need to not call this when the door spawns, or I need to clean it up from the array before we exit build mode. And I think the smart thing to do is to not call this until we've clicked that create door button. And I have a feeling it's the same with walls. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's the same with walls. Let's check the walls array. I did a lot of work on, like, the construction system probably took more time than anything else in this game to get it right. So I have a 1,000. Oh no. Oh, okay, so this relies on a fully fledged array. So I'll never know. It's too big, that array. All right, so let's hunt that down. Let's make it so that this only gets called. So where do we trigger it? We trigger it probably on start. We trigger it on awake. Where do we actually want to trigger it? We want the door controller, when it's created, to tell the door to initialize. Update state. No. We want an initialize function. Nodes, do they have that? No. So we can expose a public initialize, and then we do that here. So when we awake, we need to set this. That's fine. But we only want to initialize when the door gets created by the door controller. This was an easy bug to fix, he said laughingly. Unbeknownst to him, he is creating 7 bugs by doing this simple fix. Alright, so place door. Here we are. So we want to create savable, get door component. And when we get the door component, we also want to door.initialize. Done. This is almost certainly not what you want to actually use, but might not even work, and might not even work in Unity. Int frequency 250, duration 250, while duration is less than 25. Console beep. Wait, console.beep. Yeah, I don't want that. But is this but this is the vibe-ish. So, I mean, over time it just increases in frequency. I think I want to do that, but I want to grab like a sound effect that is monotone. Have 2 audio sources. Work and lurk. All right. Thank you, Bit. Thank you, Bit Gaming, for the bit. And thank you for the lurk. I think you're right. It is something like that. So I think what I need to do is have 2 audio sources. And they should be pretty short, and they should play in succession of each other and maybe overlap by a small amount. And when it finishes playing, it increases in pitch, you know, until we're done, until the progress bar is over. I think that's what I would do. Console.beep sounds scary because, you know, what does that even do? Curious. Let's do that here. Where is it? System.console.beep. I'm gonna do it right here. I mean, you wouldn't use console.beep, right? Okay. Of course. I know you're just using that as an example. But now I want to hear it. I'm going to use that now for everything. I'm going to debug using console.beeps instead of prints. I'm going to beep everything. I didn't even know that was a thing. Triangles, you gotta remind me to hydrate. I'm kidding. Alright, so let's well, I guess console.beep is gonna... Okay, so wall grid system. No doors, what? Why do I have no doors? There's 3 doors. So, there's a problem. I need to know if it's being spawned by the door controller or if it's loading. If it's loading. So, how do I know if it's loading? I knew this was going to cause bugs. So I awake. And what should I do? I need to figure out if this is loaded. How do I know doors are how do I know about doors? Door. Build wooden door. Build wood door? Okay, build door wood. Build door wood. How do I know you're loaded? What do you got on you? You've got a build item interactable. You've got a door script and the position save. So the only way this thing knows how it's loaded is it just has a position and a rotation. What do you guys think? could have the build item interactable to know when it's loaded. It's lame. I could make doors savable. And then they could remember a value is placed. Hi, I'm Bill Dorwald. How can I help you? Hey, Bill. What should I do? I'm gonna make doors savable. And then I'm just gonna remember, excuse me, I need all the things. Implement interface, please. Not there. Don't implement it there. So on load. I basically just want on load to throw that event. I don't even need to save anything. I just need to load. And then on save, I could save nothing. I can return. I could just return true or something. Return true. No. What is... Oh, it needs a string. Return yes. And then this return true. I think this will just throw this door created on load every time. What I also need to do is make sure this only loads once, which it does. Maybe that'll do it? This is jank. This is not good. Hacky, hacky. I'm starting to think that it's easier. Thank you, Triangles. I'm starting to think that it's actually easier to remove it in a better fashion than to just not, like, remove it from that array before we exit door controller mode instead of what I'm currently doing. Because now I gotta restart everything. Let's turn on temp items. Let's... Managers, game manager, starter content, one. Actually, I don't need that. All right. Let's start over, because adding this code is gonna break stuff. Show us your dog. Okay. Let's bring up some photos. Have any new ones over? I showed this yesterday. Put this at the park. See what she does. She's gonna eat stuff out of the grass. She's obsessed with eating little things out of grass. That was taken yesterday. Okay, we don't need audio. I need a better demolishing system where I can just clean this all up at once. I want to click and hold and drag. That's what I want. Okay, so let's grab some starter content and watch the in-system build zone wall grid system. Doors empty. So, yes. Need a wall, okay. And now I'm gonna build a door it didn't get added to the doors. That's good. Click. It's in there. Done. Okay. Fast forward to save the game. Fast forward to save the game. Okay, we're saved. Next. Stop the game. Restart the game and we should see a door here. Please, please, please. We did it. Okay. We're good. That's that. It's hacky, but it works. It's pretty simple, actually. It only does it if it's loading dynamically. And all it needs is that yes. We should save something smaller. Yes is 3 characters. We should only be saving. Just saving. Can we save nothing? What's the cheapest binary character? Do different characters have different sizes? Where are my comp sci nerds? What is the smallest possible character? Alright. You heard comp sci nerds? Yeah, what? So, I need to save a string here. What is the small... Is there... Did different characters have different sizes, or... Yeah. Are all characters the same size, byte-wise? Or are there smaller characters? And I'm not sure if I can just save nothing. Depends on the encoding. It's ASCII. It's a JSON. I don't know. All ASCII characters are the same size, but UTF gets all crazy. Interesting. There we go. That's what I was looking for. The knowledge. That. Yes. Okay. So if it's ASCII, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's ASCII. It's human readable. That means it's ASCII, right? Well, let's check that off our list. Boom! That was a high priority item, and it was not that hard to fix. Why ... No? No, I'm wrong? Ah, man, I hate being wrong. Actually, I like being wrong. That means that this is a learning opportunity. Human readable does not equal ASCII. Okay. What is this? Like, how do I know what it is? It's literally just a text file. ASCII is approximately English. It's just a text file. UTF is international. Oh. Okay. I see. So there's different, I think I understand what you're saying. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What am I saving? A byte? C is Cyrillic, ES. And is not C. What? Okay, now you're just confusing me on purpose. The day ended and the inn closed again. That I can't confirm. I have not seen that happen again. Add a number indicator for sending guests to Melissa's diner. No, I don't want to. That's too hard. Guest log only has citizen NPCs. I changed that. Foraging gives too much XP. I don't care. Give footprints a pop-up in the inn management mode, so you know what it's doing. I could do that. I can do that. Let's do that. So, in order to do that, Just put something descriptive in there. It's not really worth thinking about memory usage. I don't even need something descriptive. It just needs to exist. Yeah, it's so minor. It was kind of a joke when I asked it, but now I'm curious because, you know, I don't know much about true computer science, and I am curious about it. This was an item that I did want to add. I need a long, awesome cutscene representing the opening of your inn for the first time. Wait. Console.WriteLine, C equals C. Console.WriteLine, C equals C. What's the difference between those two? What? Why are those different? Am I crazy? Also, I didn't hear the beep. Wait, the console.beep didn't do anything. Is it because I mute audio? Probably. I want to hear that beep. The first one has a different C. Now you're just breaking my brain. I don't hear the beeps. One is acrylic ES. UTF. You're never gonna make me understand now. Never gonna happen. Let's get rid of that beep just in case. All right, let's close all these because I don't like a lot of scripts open. I do hate that event though. That is one thing I do hate. Biome tree. We were working on trees last night and I don't know, everything kind of looked like it was working. There was some freak weird stuff with an oak tree growing out of control, but I don't know. Mail system, what are you doing open? Oh yeah, we had a bug with you when I changed the size of gifts. So maybe when I create new gifts, I should increase the sheet size. I'm gonna do that. So here I create the sheet I found. If I change how many gifts are in a letter, I want to make sure that it updates without breaking the game. I just have to make sure to always add new gifts at the end of the array. If I add it at the beginning, the game's going to think that the player already got that gift. So here, what I should do is say, so first I cycle through all the sheets that I'm loading, then I cycle through all the letters. If I find the correct one, I set it, but now I want to update the array size. If letter.gifts .count .length does not equal sheet .gift taken .length, then what I want to do is make a new array. Is there a way to I just want to make an array bigger. Why is this happening again? Nick, it's Thursday morning. What do you mean? You think I do a night one and that's it? Thursday's canceled? No. I'm dedicated. Scusi. Nick, how are you? Good morning. I guess I need a new array. Bool. New array equals new bool, and then the size is letter.gift length. And then we want to for each bool taken in sheet.gift taken.length. Actually, no, we don't want a for each. X equals 0. X is less than sheet. X plus plus. And then we want to set the new array. X equals sheet.gift. Oh, sheet.gift taken. Dot. Or no dot. X. Okay, so that's going to fill in the front of the array, and then the back half of the array is just going to be false, like we haven't taken it yet because it's a new gift. And I wonder if that will put it back in unread. I think it will automatically take that out of red, put it in the unread list. So I don't have to do anything there. Okay, this will not break again. We future-proofed it. Trying to get everyone else to join the chat? You mean like Gug and Mikey? They're sick of me. What is this? What did you send me, Nick? No, I don't trust these. I don't trust these ladies. When these ladies do comedy, it is not safe for work. I liked the John C. Reilly chat the other day, though. Because John C. Reilly, yeah, he's in everything. You know, the whole spectrum of so everyone's gonna be confused. But let me explain real quick. Nick is an editor for comedians on Instagram and social media. And the two comedians that were talking in the video that he edited, they were talking about how they like know John C. Reilly. What, like, when you see John C. Reilly, when you think about John C. Reilly, what do you think about him? What is he from? Like, is he a serious actor? Is he a surrealist? Is he a slapstick? You know, is he absurd? You know, what do you think about John C. Reilly? Because he's all of that. John C. Reilly is all of that, and it's incredible. He's one of the best actors because of that. I've seen him do serious roles that he was incredible in. Shake or bake. I'm honestly surprised I never bumped into him, like, in real life. He does a lot of theater. Interesting. Oh, you mean John C. Reilly? Yeah, he does do a lot of theater. He was really good in was he in Chicago? The movie? He's really good in Chicago. He's in a lot of this has been a lot of serious roles that he's been really good in. I mean, obviously, Tim and Eric is so near and dear to my heart. Do I need a Steve Brule audio clip? I think I do. Alright, so where did we leave off? This was fixed, we're good. One thing that I didn't do last night. Ooh, okay, there actually is a bug last. Nick, I can't play. I don't trust that video. I can't listen to it to vet it, and just seeing those two ladies, I know I can't trust it. I'm very sorry. Your stuff is just a little mature. Mature audiences only. Especially those women. Nothing against that. It's just not going to play that here. I promise you can trust this one. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Your level of trust is much more lenient than mine. Also, I'm absolutely telling them you said that. That's fine. I think they know that their content is for mature audiences only. That's totally fine. It's great. I'm not doing this. I'm gonna check it. not doing this. Figure out resolution issue. I haven't seen the resolution issue in a little bit, so I'm gonna assume it just sorted itself out. Have a way to unhide walls. That's an interesting one. I went from into town, and we locked in a black screen. Was pausable, but always faded back to black. That's because there were errors being thrown and I had no idea. It will get more engagement in the chat? I don't think so. We don't need engagement, we just need to hang out. Make video games. It's kind of hard to send NPCs to the hotspot you want. You want it to be instant. That is true, you do want it to be instant. That I do want to figure out. Sometimes when you want to send a character to a certain place, they've either already visited something, so they won't visit a second thing, or they're on their way to a different thing and you can't redirect them. But you want your influence to be highest priority. You almost want to redirect them somewhere else. And to do that is a lot of code. So I'm not going to do that one right now. I'm going to take some screenshots of items. Ooh, actually, you know what I could do is I could take screenshots of items, of the character creation items. That's actually a good thing to do. I should do that. I'm going to go into my item screenshot scene. Yeah, let's go into the character screenshot scene. No, let's make a new one? Nah, let's open up character screenshot scene. So what I want to do is I want to screenshot all the different decorations, like character decorations. Have you ever scaled 3D objects so it looks the same size depending on the screen size? You mean in code or just like visually? Because I do that for do I do that? No. I've done that in like my daily job, like in VFX, where you just need things to look like they're in the same space visually, but you know they're rendered from different cameras, and when you comp them together you want them to look the same. So I've done that, but I've never like devised an algorithm. I'm sure there is, based on focal length. You get the focal length of the camera, the distance to the camera, and then using that you can probably linearly scale it based on that relationship of those two values. Right, so where are all of my decorations? Actually, I do want a new scene. So this is going to be called the scenes. We're going to call this the... What are they called? I have trouble with my card spinner shrinking. Do you have a clip? Do you have a video? I might be able to give my 2 cents. What are these things called? What are these things called? Character accessories? Accessories. Screen shot scene. I'm gonna get rid of characters. Okay, yeah, take that video. Player visuals. Where's the camera? Camera. It's up here. You know. Oh wait, actually we still need the camera up there because I'm gonna take pictures of all the hair and stuff. All right. This I've been dreading for a while, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be fine. Materials. And we kind of want to put it on a character too. I'm gonna move the player over. I'm gonna hide the hair that's currently, or I'm gonna remove all the props. That's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be creepy. It's gonna be very creepy. Or should I leave the eyes on? Yeah. Let's leave. So I guess I want to like leave everything on except the thing that I'm changing. So if I want to take pictures of hair, I want to turn on everything except hair. Actually, it's going to be confusing. You know what? I'm going to do the creepy thing. I'm going to turn everything off. And I'm going to take weird mannequin-style screenshots for now. It's probably the best thing to do. So now let's find all of our character props. Here they are. Character props. Also, now's a good time. We've been going for like an hour. To say, good morning, welcome in. If anyone's new here, my name is Andrew. Working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's an Innkeeper-Sim life sim game. Curdy Bear, good morning. Have you just been lurking there without saying anything? Oh, that's cool. Thank you for the lurk. Thank you, Triangles. I love this new channel redeem. Hi, my name is Guy. What up, Guy? Welcome in, first time chatter. How's it going? How was your day so far? You want to do hair. No, wait, where are all the prefabs? There they are. There's my chippy. I'm gonna bring these guys in. Look at that. Wait, why is it shiny? Just working on some C# Windows services. That sounds low level and complicated. We don't do complicated here. Thanks for co-working with me. I love it when you guys co-work with me, you know? I like being background noise. It's low pressure. Why is this shiny? I feel like it's not supposed to be shiny. No. Wait. Some of these don't have male hairs. Oh, the zeros. Okay. Those are just empty. Wait, there's another one that's different. Hat hair. Is it you? Hat hair short? None. Short. Okay, so it's male hair 0 and hat hair short. It's not letting me mass change things. If anyone's new here, my name is Nicholas. I'm a video editor. I am, however, hesitant to use the term video editor, as I only know Final Cut and learned on YouTube. It's definitely valid. You're allowed to call yourself a video editor if you can use one video editing software and you learned it somewhere. However, my main profession for many years was technical theater. I now edit social media clips for comedians and podcasters. If anyone needs content, safe or unsafe, please contact. Yes, if anyone has editing requirements, editing needs, Nick the Nini's your guy. Big hair mat. Is this what I call it? Ooh, that was it. It's called, Hair 01. Hair 01. There it is. There's my chippy. What color should my default hair be? Something, yeah, light, medium brown. This should be the default hair color that we take the screenshot with. And now, I think that's it. Let's see what the camera looks like. That looks too big. Doesn't all fit. So we need to move the camera back a little. Good morning. My phone just said good morning to me. Thanks, phone. I've been up for hours. What am I doing? I want to move the camera back. Okay, now all the hairs fit. I don't want to move the camera back. I want to move it up. Maybe back a little. Okay, now all the hairs fit. I think I need to make this square in 512 by 512. Yep, everything still fits. So, these shadows are also ugly. How do I increase the resolution of these shadows just for these screenshots? Maybe I just turn shadows off for now. Soft shadows, hard shadows, real-time shadows, use settings from render, no. Bias, custom. Ah, crap. I only know Final Cut and learned on YouTube, yeah. Nick's also a very funny person. We'll just do no shadows. Actually, it looks way better without shadows. Okay. Perfect. So all I gotta do is add these to the auto capture group. How do I clear collection? So I don't need to capture the zeros? Oh wait, yes I do. I need to capture the zeros. Camera. Lock. Select. Drag. Add. And then where do I put it? So this is in sprites portraits. I want to put this in sprites. Accessories and then hair. Auto group screenshots. Boom. That didn't do it. Didn't work. Why didn't it work? Could not find part of the path. Oh, I think it's because the path needs to exist if it doesn't exist. Nick's my best friend. True. That is very true. Truth be told, a lot of what I know is from YouTube University. Yeah, YouTube's got... Where do you think I learned most of my game dev stuff? The YouTube. Nice, Nick. How do you go from technical theater to video editor for comedians? Nick, do you want to explain? Explain. That was my best Darlek impersonation. Any Doctor Who fans out there? Judge me. Oh man, Odin Inspector freaked out. Okay, so instead of adding code that automatically makes the file or the folder, I'm just gonna manually do it. Screenshots. Portraits. So we need accessories. Where'd the folder go? Well, that's annoying. Create folder. Accessories. Pretty Bear is my best friend. Very true. You guys are best friends. Create folder. Hair. Okay, now will you work? Auto group. Looks like it worked. Leave Unity, come back to Unity. Import. Boom. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. Now that's a meme that I haven't heard in a while. Apply. I love everything from Buffalo, the Wings, Curdy, the Goo Goo Dolls. You're mad? Why are you mad? Why are you mad, bro? You didn't give me a stock tip on Children's Place? What the heck is Children's Place? My only stock tip is NVIDIA. That's all I care about. But don't ever take stock advice from me. I can't believe you actually bought and sold Roblox and made 20 cents. That was amazing. Do you not have trading fees? Like, what do you use that you don't have fees associated? Oh, you made $20. Ah, that's even better. That's 5 gift subs. No, that's 4. I'm kidding. It's 4, I know math. Definitely don't do that, I was kidding. Okay. Alright, so this worked. So now we have to add these to the props. Prop female. I hope these are all named exactly the way they're named. So I go to hair. Prop female hair. No. It's not content. It's in resources. It's in resources, character props, hair. Hairs. Prop female hair. So I have to individually go. Oh. Prop female. Let's just do prop hair. And this is 5. This is gonna take a little while, sorry. Prop hair 6. I won't say each one out loud. Guy, I just found out Microsoft has a C# coding class for free. Can you script it? Of course I can script it. Will I? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Mainly because how do you get a file if it's not in resources? Can you do that? Maybe I'll just like on selection, select all these, select all those, and if names match, just do it up. Oh, but they're not in the same folder, so I can't select them all. Oh, but these are in resources. So there's probably something I could do to automate this. Actually, you know what? I probably should, because it's only a coincidence that the name of the prefab is the same name as the name of the scriptable object, and they won't all be like that. So I am going to make a quickie helper. Alright, I'll make a new helper window. It'll be way faster. Yay! Always open to classes? Nice. Classes are good. Take them classes. Alright, so I want to make a new... I just want to make like a... Not window. I don't want to make a window. I just want to make a like one function that does this. Utility. Oh, what already does that? Screenshots. Take a screenshot. Open save location. Replace game objects. I'll just copy replace game objects. I learned C++ and .NET in college, but not C#. C#. C++ is freaking hard. Replace game objects. Where are you? Are you in editor scripts? Okay, so we're just gonna dupe. We're gonna say a screenshot accessor. I don't know. Accessory helper. We'll just put any kind of helper scripts in here. So we want to grab the selection. And then we want to, in resources, cycle through everything in accessories until we find the scriptable object with the prefab of the same name. We're going to do some string comparisons, and it's going to suck, but it'll be fine. So tools, replace game objects. Tools, it'll be called sync selected screenshots. I am outside your house, boy. Oh my god, thank you for the follow. What a ridiculous name. How are you? I hope you're not out there. I'm on the 2nd floor. You might fall. It's very dangerous. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you doing? Wait. Oh, Nick with the wall. I always wanted to do comedy, but in school you can only do theater. So I did theater, made money, got old and tired, but I always wanted to learn how to make videos. Then during quarantine... Nice. Then during quarantine, my brother Gug and me got Final Cut, so I learned how to use it. My old friend Tracy, who I met during theater, has been doing stand-up comedy and podcasting for over 10 years. So I basically asked her if I could make her some clips. She liked them. That one happens too fast. Yeah, I need to add some delay on those audios. Basically asked her if I can make some clips. She liked them, told other people about me, and c'est la vie.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
Thank you for showing everyone all my new audio buttons. Those are very new.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
Don't tell him now. He knows what floor you're on.
Have anything specific planned for today's show?
This week's show is going to be really interesting with...
Don't tell what's going to be on the show.
Can you guys even hear the audio? Like, what is the audio quality on that? Is it being drowned out by music? If you know C++ and JavaScript, C# isn't a big leap. No, it's not. It's very easy. It's a bit quiet versus the music. All right. Let's make it louder. It's really hard to make the music louder. Oop. Or make the music softer. It's already very low.
Video games are the wave of the future, Jan.
How's that? Yeah, I've been finding that out. Oh, you mean that C#'s easier to learn once you know those other two? Yeah, it is. All right, we're making this tool. We're making this tool. Sync selected screenshots. I want to create a wizard. No, I don't want to create a wizard. We just need, oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just, I'll make this scriptable objects. And this will be the accessories. And then we'll take a list of sprites. This will be the sprites. And then we'll just cycle through them and matchy match. On wizard create. So display wizard replace game objects. Wait a minute, is there a window for this? Scriptable wizard. Sync screenshots. Why am I getting work slacks already? No. Oh, that's a good work slack. Just a reminder, the office is closed Monday, February 19th. You know what that means. We're gonna do a morning stream and it's gonna go past 9 a.m. Okay, and then there's going to be a button called Sync. And here's what we do. We cycle through all the accessories. Then why is this not highlighted? What is happening? Then we want to cycle through all the sprite. And then, this is not what I need. I want the game object dot icon. No, okay, so I need to actually cycle through the entity. Entity. And then go dot. What is happening? Why is this very upset? This is a very upset script. It does not like existing. What's up with that? Oh, it's because I'm getting errors and it's not compiling. Accessory helper. Okay, now we're back. So entity dot, let's just confirm that's what I'm actually looking for. So you want prop hair. These are character prop types. They're not entities. No, they are entities. They're actually, they derive from entities, so that's cool, that's fine. But the prop properties, I need to grab the prop property. So I need a character prop. Beep, beep, beep. Character prop. Okay. Here, say prop. So we want to say prop.icon, or if sprite.name equals prop.prefab.name, then prop.icon equals sprite, right? Tuna, this was for you. We did this for you. Tuna. Tuna makes me a better person. Hands down, guaranteed. Do you think this is going to work? Is it that simple? I moved from doing all my backend stuff in VB.net to C#.net, but I did JS for years, so it wasn't too terrible. You guys in your multiple languages. Had to watch the new X-Men 97 trailer. It looks good. There's a new X-Men coming out? What's X-Men 97? Do gooder code. Hells yeah. We're doing the goodest code we can. There's a translator that does it automatically. You use the translator, right? What? What are you talking about? Oh, VBD to C#. Old cartoon with new content. Oh, it's cartoon. Cartoons. What did I call it? Sync screenshots. So here we have, wait, old object, sync screen. Ah, shoot. So it's a little more, so what's a scriptable wizard? Sync prop screenshots. Type of replace object. No. It's a type of accessory helper. Tools, replace, or sync. It still says sync screenshots. That's concerning. Oh no, it's because it's called here, sync prop screenshots. Oh my god, the popping, horrible. I did use it when I first started and couldn't figure out what I knew in VB and how it looked in C#. That's cool that there's such a convenient tool. There we go, accessories and sprites. Here we go. So we want to dock this. Can you not dock wizards? Okay. If I select off of it, does it go behind everything? No, it doesn't. Perfect. Oh, I guess wizards are a special special class that knows to be in front. So prop hair, we want prop female hair. To prop male hair. These are the accessories. And then sprites, we want the sprites in accessories, hair. Boom. Sync. Did it work? I don't know. Oh, I need to save them too. I need to run the script that saves scriptable objects because they are not going to save without me running that. Nah, I forget what the line of code is for that. Ugh. That's annoying. It's not that bad, actually. So let's go up to character props and let's see if it even set them. So hairs, where's hairs? Hairs. It worked. Look at that. Wait, this one didn't do it. No, it was just loading. Yeah, perfect. So it did that, but it's not gonna save. The second I do something, it's gonna freak out. And like if I close Unity, save scene, and reopen Unity, it's not gonna remember that. That's annoying. It got quiet. Or maybe the music's just really low for me. No, it's definitely like barely playing. So did that save? Nope, it didn't. Okay, we just need to get that code. It's not hard. I do that in random character creator. No, where do I do that already? Where I set, oh, the item wizard. Item, create item. Create item editor. Okay, I do this here already. And to save a scriptable object. Scriptable reference, no. Scriptable object, create instance. Here it is, item activity stats. No, yeah. So we create it, it's asset.database, save assets, boom. It's just one line? Wait, set dirty. Ooh, okay. So we have to set the scriptable object as dirty, then run asset database save assets, I think. Prefab utility, save prefab asset. Okay, so that's for prefabs. Asset database, I believe, is for scriptable objects. Okay, that's easy. So set dirty. And then, so we set the prop as dirty, and then we asset database dot save assets if dirty. Okay. Wait. Just save assets. Save them all. What do I care? Mikey Bo. Someone must have set my script to dirty because you think you're so cute. You think you're so cute hitting on my bots. You're a wizard, Harry. I don't know why you said that, but I liked reading it. I do it by hand now, but to be fair, mostly in other direction. Little Robot Games, hey, have you tried Godot? First, welcome in, first time chatter, how you doing? Have I tried Godot? No, I haven't yet. I do appreciate it though. I watch a lot of Godot streamers. It's very powerful. Looks great. I just know Unity too well. How am I supposed to switch? I I got 12 years of Unity experience. How the hell am I supposed to switch now? I've gone too far. I'm too deep. At least we aren't in the C++ era where when the compiler would tell you that there was an illegal instruction and it would take 4 hours to type a semicolon. That sounds horrible. Nightbot, come back. Mike is here. No, Tuna, why you gotta encourage this? Kurt watches a lot of Gal Gadot streams. Switch! Nah, I can't. I do like it though. I appreciate it. Do you use Godot, little robot? Alright, this should work now. You do, only for 2D stuff. So that's another thing. I like to make 3D games, and from what I see, Godot can absolutely 100% make 3D games, but I think Unity can make them a little easier. I think. I'm pretty sure. Alright, sync prop screenshots. Prop hair. Grab accessories. Prop hair. Grab screenshots. Look at that. These don't even have the same amount and it still works. Sync. And it lagged. That means they saved. Let's close Unity and see if it worked. C was the worst though. So little debug information and I'm assuming you meant segmentation fault? Yeah. I see there's a guy, Barkus. He works in C. He's nuts. He's making his own like version of A-Sprite in C. He's making his own game engine. Guy is beast. Follow Art Barkus if you're interested watching someone make all this stuff in C. Art Barkus. I think that's his name? No, I forget how to spell his name. G-Key decided it was done. I'm not doing it. I still use C when programming Arduinos. Ooh, that's cool, guy. You got all this. You keep exposing little bits of you. Got some background. Okay, let's see if that worked. Prop. Email. Hair. Well, that one already set manually. I gotta go to a lower one. It worked. Yes, it freaking worked. I prefer. Oh, Jesus Christ. Mike, what is the matter with you? What are you making? A nightmare character? No, we're taking we're doing screenshots. We're doing screenshots. You gotta chill. Alright, so let's make this is hairs. And we want another one for accessories. DD or C#, it's the same thing. I don't know what that acronym is, though. D-Lang. Don't encourage him. Oh, I almost just did a Maya hotkey. Unparent. How do I unparent this without dragging and dropping it? All right, what's next? Let's try and pick up the pace here. We have eyes. Let's do eyes. Let's... Oh, let's go in order. So eyebrows. And then this gets the hair material. Hair 01. And oh, this is bad. The collar on this shirt. What's up with that? What is up with that? There's some crazy stuff going on with this. It's backface calling. It's doing weird stuff. Oh, it's the skinning. It's skinning. All right, we're just gonna ignore that for now. Gonna have some blaring callers. It's gonna be weird. Whatever. We can actually. No, I want this to go in a separate folder, so we'll do a new. Ooh, hydrate, sir. Thank you. Almighty Lamb. Welcome back. Thank you. Yeah, most streamers have a talk to speech or a text to speech when you do biddies, but I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. I'm a noob. I'm a streamer noob. It takes me time to learn these things. Mikey Bo says hi. Hi, Mikey Bo. How are you, Mikey Bo? And how are you, Almighty Lamb? I think StreamerBot does the talk to text-to-speech stuffs. I have StreamerBot in here. Pretty sure. There's somewhere. I got all the bots. I got a Sound Alert bot, I got StreamerBot, I got Nightbot. You're good? A little head cold? Uh-oh. It's not good. Oh my god, Red Cabin Games with the raid! What? Red Cabin Games. Welcome in, raiders. How you doing today? How's your stream? Everybody. Everlasting Media, thank you for the follow. Hey. How's it going today? Thank you for the raid. Guys, if it's your first time here, my name is Andrew. Working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a life sim, Innkeeper-Sim. I'm doing icons right now, screenshot icons for the GUIs. Very boring. We're making a tool. Someone forced me to make a tool. So I'm doing it now. Red Cabin Games called you a fool before rating, but meant a combo of fun and... Is that where the word fool comes from? Also, thank you for the follow. Was that guy? Hey Raiders, this is Andrew. He lives alone with his dog, so he's very lonely. Please love him. First of all, context. I'm alone right now and streaming way more often than normal. Because movers came and took all my stuff. My wife is in another country, finding us a new apartment, so I'm all alone here. Bit of a slip of the tongue. No, that's the best slip of the tongue I've ever heard. Also, Todd Makes, thank you for calling him out. If I didn't know that, I'd be very upset. I'm so much happier knowing that you did that. Red Cabin. There we go. Guys, go follow Red Cabin Games. He's working on an incredible space shooter where you build your own ship. It's like a top-down shoot-'em-up with roguelike elements and customization. Drop links, drop screenshots. What are you working on today? What are you working on today? Gotta keep folks accountable around here? Hells yeah. Thank you, Todd. Oh, yeah. Oh, if you're new, maybe I'll play the trailer. You get me some screenshots you want to show off. I'll play the trailer. Everlasting Media, much plant. What is plant? But yeah, as you can see, or maybe you can't see. I don't know if the trailer communicates this well enough, but it is an Innkeeper-Sim. So there's farming aspects, you know, there's fishing, there's a forest you can explore, but right there, see, you run an inn. That is the main focus. Level up your skills. Photography minigame. That's new. There it is. Wishlist now. This game looks so cozy. Oh my god, Red Cabin, thank you. Wait, space scaven. Oh my god, no, I have the wrong link. Why is that the wrong link? Oh my god, Nightbot. I'm sorry. I put the wrong link in your shout out. Let me get the real one. I'm sorry. I must have copied and pasted it wrong. About Space Scavenger 2. Wait, space. Oh, it is the right one. Oh, okay, it is the right one. Free alphabet. How old is this trailer? Are you gonna be embarrassed by it? Ooh, it's really loud. Sorry. Oh my god, this looks so good. It's so good looking. Yeah, make sure to drop Red Cabin a follow. Make sure to give this a wish list. Ooh, I haven't seen the little planets. Grumble of pods. Devs. I know. Guys, also go follow Grumble. Megabat. Uphill battle. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. All right, thank you. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in. I had a hard time starting today. Doing the stream last night and then a stream this morning. That's not easy. It's not easy. Right now we're working on a tool to make some screenshots. No, we love Unity too sometimes. I love Unity all the time. It's very rare that I don't like it. I put my headset down and the squishing sound effects started playing and I thought my cat was licking herself or himself under the couch or something. Yeah, there's a lot of squishy sound effects in your trailer. Alright, where were we? Mike, can you trap the inn guests in any kind of dungeon? Mike, not now! Thank you, Tuna! Thank you. Get him, ZT, seriously. Amazing. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So I need to make the folders for these because it's gonna error out. Create eyebrows. Create facial hair. I'll just make them all ahead of time. What other accessories do I have? I have glasses. I was dreading this for a long time because I realized I have like 300 different accessories that you can create your character with, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to make screenshots and hook them all up and blah blah blah. I'm gonna just put this off. This is gonna take forever. But here we are doing it now, and it's actually not so bad. It might just take the rest of the stream. What else we got? We got hair, eyebrow, we have eyes. C# script. Oh no, not C# script. We want folder. Get out of here. Also, if you didn't catch it earlier too, also go follow Grumble. He's working on an amazing precision platformer where you're a bat. Instead of someone walking on ground, you are a flying bat, which I appreciate greatly. I try to... before I say that, I find that to be very creative because I lack the creativity to think of something like that. You know, platformer to me, you're on platforms. There's gravity, and you're just a dude. The fact that you've got like a whole new set of rules where you're a flying bat, takes a lot of creativity. I'm proud of you. We have, what else? Eyebrows, eyes, facial hair. We have shoes. Shirts. Ooh, shirts. Can't forget shirts. And then the color stuff, I might just leave the color as color swatches. You should have a potion that allows you to fly. You'd be surprised how technically obnoxious that would be to make. Since I use a nav mesh system instead of like a physics-based character controller, adding flying and jumping in the game, not in the cards. Okay, so this is now eyebrows. Oh, what can you do with the photos you take? Hang them on the wall? Wait, what? Do you mean like screenshots in the game? I actually don't. This is for like icons for the character creation. I do have a screenshot system in the game, but I don't know what to do with it yet. All right, so I think all I have to do is hit auto group screenshots. Done. No, the photography stuff. Oh, the photography stuff in the game. So this photography system, it's basically like a collection minigame. You know, instead of having a net and trying to capture insects, it's more about trying to photograph things and collect stuff that way. And some things are going to be harder to photograph than others, you know. And you'll need an upgraded camera with a longer range to get some things, because there'll be environmental things blocking you. Stuff like that. I was inspired from a Game Maker Toolkit Game Jam entry, even though it wasn't really the same thing. Nice. I guess inspiration can come from anywhere. I thought that maybe, you know, I feel like there's a world where you can just go to like really old regular Nintendo games and just give them a refresh, you know, a modern refresh. Just do that for obscure ones that were kind of good but nobody played. There's something there. Let's leave, come back. We got eyebrows. Is there a way to automatically make these sprites? Ooh, I also want the camera to be closer. Let's do that again. Let's take the screenshots again. Okay. Or maybe it's like 3 potions on a shelf, you have to pick one. 2 are poison, 1 makes you fly. But after you fly for a little, you realize it's also poison. Oh my god. Mikey Bo with the crazy ideas. Create empty parent? Yeah. Eyebrows. Okay, so I think this tool it could be better. This tool could be better. Instead of selecting... So I want the screenshots to just automatically go to the scriptable object they're associated with, and I don't want to manually load it. I just want to like do resources load all. Let's do that. Character props equals resources dot load all character prop path. It's in where's the path? It's It's in character props. Resources, character props. Is that it? Is that all I need to do? That'll just grab all props, and if things match, it matches. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Then I don't need this stupid thing. Ooh, and it's 8:50. We got a few minutes left. Good progress today. Thank you, ZT, for making me make this tool. This would have taken forever. So let's see, component. No, tool, screenshot, sync. I told you, I know. Eyebrows. So I just put this in sprites and I hit sync. Done. Now if I go to prop eyebrows, let's see if they're set. Prop eyebrows. They're not. Oops. I think the resources.load is not loading properly. I think I do this somewhere else. Yeah. I'm doing it wrong. Character prop. I think maybe the / is not right. Maybe I just need character props, no slashes. So you going to bed early tomorrow? Oh shit, yeah. Yo, if anyone's around and wants to catch Captain Coder's showcase, we're gonna do that at 4 in the morning. We're gonna be there. Maybe he'll showcase our game, maybe he won't. Grumble will be there. Are you gonna wake up at 4 a.m.? I don't know, it's gonna be really, really hard for me. But you gotta be there, right? Yeah, I don't think I need this. Will it recursively search all folders? Let's see. Let's see if that works. You'll wake up at 5 a.m.? Oh, right, it's 5 a.m. for you, right? You're one time zone over. Shut the front door, it's too early, I know. Let's go back to those sprites. Sync. No, didn't like it. The prefab, or the variable m prefab of character prop has not been assigned. If prop dot prefab equals null. Continue. Will this, do I have to close this and reopen this? Probably. Okay, how about now? Sync. That did some shit. Prop browse 01. Yes, it worked. All right, so now we don't have to do that. Continue is my best friend. Yeah, I use continue a lot. This is my favorite coding architecture. It's just to make all these gates and I continue. I don't like putting stuff in if statements like this. I mean, this is kind of necessary. You got to do this comparison. It makes sense here, but I like adding like 100 gates. Like if this, continue. If that, continue. If this, continue. Okay, you're back. I had to make cereal before. How long does it take you to make cereal? It's been like 40 minutes. You never use continue? I love continue. Yeah, I saw you doing some Godot coding yesterday. Stuff looks confusing. I know Python, so it's not that confusing, but there's so many like tags and keywords and like, I don't like that. It scares me. That's why I'll never use Godot. It's just too much. I can't learn another one. Now let's do another. Let's see if we can get another one out real quick. Actually, we should test to see if how these look in the game, right? Let's go to the main menu. Same with return. Early out is so nice. Yeah. Love returning. I saw Kurt doing some stuff to some Gal Gadot yesterday. Oh my god, Mike. What the hell? Gross. Alright, so we got a new game. Let's go to the hair tab. Ooh, look at that! We have icons! Oh, and they match. And they match! Let's go to eyebrows. Where are eyebrows? Where's my eyebrow tab? There it is. Just have the stupid face. Boom. Alright. We did good today. We did good. I'll make progress on that maybe tonight. But I gotta go to work, guys. I gotta go to work. No. Who shall we raid? I want to go somewhere new. Okay, last time I raided this guy, he was playing a rerun, so that was annoying. I was so distraught. I was like, it was like my first raid ever, and I raided this person, and I'm like, yeah, my first raid. Hey, man, and it was like rerun. Always vet who you raid. If anyone has suggestions, Corey. I love raiding Corey. I think I raid her too much. It's getting weird. You want me to go to Corey? I mean, if you guys are telling me to, I will. I'll go to Corey. He just started. Foxin', who's Foxin'? Anyone but Corey, please? Mikey Bow. Irad? I'll go to Irad. Let's go to Irad. Let's go to Irad. You did it. Dog! You're stopping right when you got here. Yeah, it's almost 9. I stop at 9 every day. Alright, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. Red Cabin, seriously, thank you for the raid. Always appreciated. Oh my god. Feel free.
Video games are the wave of the future, Jan.
Yes, they are. Feel free to give Alpine Lake a wish list. My name is Andrew. I'll be back maybe tomorrow, maybe Saturday. I might do a long Saturday afternoon. Yeah, who knows? But yeah, thank you everyone for hanging out, and appreciate all the help. You guys always help me out, and you make me laugh. I think I started with a big laugh today because of BitGaming. He gets me. He tickles me. All right, yeah. I'll catch you guys next time. I'll be in your chats. I'm all up in the chats. Peace.